Today, we're going big with a zoom out transition. It's perfect for revealing wide shots or ending a scene with style. Start by dragging two clips onto your timeline placed right next to each other. Now, head over to the Transitions tab on the left side. Scroll down or search for Zoom Out. You'll find it under the Zooms and Spins section. Once you spot it, simply drag and drop it between your two clips on the timeline. Clipchamp automatically adds the zoom out animation that pulls the viewer back and smoothly moves into the next scene. Want to fine tune it? Click on the transition itself and look to the Transitions tab on the right. Use the duration slider to adjust how quick or slow the zoom feels. A shorter duration makes it punchy, while a longer one feels more cinematic. And that's all there is to it. You've now got a clean, professional looking zoom out transition in your video. If this was helpful, make sure to hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more Clipchamp tutorials.